Alright, so here is the best way on how you can save Twitter/X videos to phone gallery. Make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you obviously need to open up Twitter or X. So here, as you can see, once you have opened it up, what you need to do is just simply press on the share icon, or you can just tap on, and right over here you will be able to see the share icon. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you will be able to see a download icon, but we don't want to download from here. We're just gonna simply press on copy link, and once it's copied, just go ahead and go to Twitter video downloader. Right over here you just need to type in SSS Twitter on your search bar. Right over here you have to insert the link first and then press download, and here as you can see it says download the video quality. I'm just gonna press on 720 again. Right over here it says download. Just go ahead and press on download, and here as you can see the video is downloading on the corner. So if you press on downloads, here as you can see, now you just gotta wait until the video's download finished and it will be inside your photos. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it helps you out. I'll see you soon.